What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay, and I want to show you the best case scenario for your Moto G7 in my opinion. Now, if you have this color right here, any color that's other than black, I will start recommending these clear cases. Now, I actually jumped on Amazon the day that I bought my phone, the day that I got it, and I was looking for clear cases, and to my surprise, I found this clear case for $3. You just can't get any better than that, man. This is rinky case quality. This is really solid quality right here. So I'm gonna do my best to get this off of here. Oh, they left some little pull tabs. All right, but yeah, this is a hard plastic, man, on the back, and it's definitely gonna be a really solid case for performance wise. Let's peel off the back here. Boom, there it is. So if you want to show off your phone, or you just want to keep the color of your phone relevant, I found this case for $3, man. And I just felt like this was the best deal for this phone, man. I saw other clear cases that were $7, $8, $9, $10. I really like this case for $3. Now, I didn't know if it was going to be the hard plastic. Like some of the descriptions on some of these cases are totally different than when you actually get it. But when I saw this one, I said, okay, this looks legit. It only had 1 rating on it, so that was good for me because I don't like cases that have a ton of ratings on it on Amazon. So the cutout up here for the microphone is there. The cutout around the back for the camera is very nice. The camera is now deeply recessed, where it's almost, so it's flush. It's deeply recessed, but it's flushed, so there's no more camera bump. So if I want to lay it like this, the camera is protected. At least it's not rocking around on the table. The power button and volume rock obviously are covered. Headphone jack, all the ports and everything are open on the bottom down here with no problem, and nothing on this side right here. So the best part about this case is it has a little bit of a lip going around the case, and I'm sure this case is case friendly for tempered glass or screen protectors. So I'll probably order me a tempered glass, and that is how I will be protecting this particular phone. I really like this case, and for $3, the quality is right up there with phone cases that cost $10 or more. And oh, forgot, microphone cutout at the bottom. You gotta make sure that one's open too. This is just a nice basic clear case, man. And I normally would just grab a black case or something like that, or just any other case. I actually started to get a blue one. They had a rose gold. I don't know. I just was searching all over Amazon, and when I saw this case, I thought, man, this is the one. $3. I had one inside my cart that was $10, and I was like, wait a minute, I gotta do some more research, because the more and more I searched, the more and more I found some for the lower price that were pretty much the same case. So $3 in 3 minutes. It's your man Jay. I hope you got a Moto G7. No affiliate links from me, but I will put this link down there and in the description so you could check it out. It's a really nice case, man. I really think it's gonna do me well with this phone, because I don't plan on, there's no protection or anything like that. This is a $250 phone, and I plan on just rocking with it until it breaks, or I decide to sell it or something, which I don't know that I will. But for now, this has been one of my main daily drivers, man. I really appreciate this phone right here. It is absolutely great. Look out for that camera review too. It's your man Jay. It's a beautiful case.